known as Greys-sawmill, Terrain Road, Karua. We have a large section of bush alight. We are going to require urgent assistance at our location. Clear?
Copy that, Raymond-terrace 1, fire complete 1353.
Firecom CM1 blue, over.
CM1, go ahead.
Yeah, Firecom at station, crew of 1 at this stage. Do you require me to attend and pick up additional crew on scene, over?
Lower Hunter Firecom, Lower Hunter Firecom. Sol-1 Alpha.
Sol-1 Alpha, stand by. CM1, Firecom.
CM1 receiving, up.
CM1, do you have another driver?
Firecom, crew of 1 is senior deputy and I'm a driver, over.
Copy that. How quickly can you get another crew together?
Firecom, perhaps you could send a further page for me, over.
Copy that, will do. Clear of you, unit calling Firecom.
Lower Hunter Firecom, Canimbla Control.
Canimbla Control, go ahead.
Yeah, Firecom, we just reporting the house number 21 Canimbla Drive has been saved. There has been some damage to the roof, but that house has been saved. Copy so far.
Go ahead.
Also, can we request police to close this road off? We do have SES here organising traffic, but we do need the road closed to locals only, so the fire units can stay on property protection mode.
Copy that, anything further?
Further to that, Group 2 is going to leave this location and head towards Karua, and Group 1 being instant control at Canimbla Drive here.
Copy that, anything further?
Negative, thanks, Firecom.
Firecom clear, 1355.
Lower Hunter Firecom, Canimbla Control, over.
Canimbla Control, go ahead.
Canimbla Control, we need a fireground frequency. Can we go to fireground 2, over?
21. Go ahead. Tanilba Bay 1, respond to Salamander fire, over.
Tanilba Bay 1, copy that. We'll be on the road in a matter of minutes, thanks. Lower Hunter Firecom, Lemon 31 and blue, over.
Lower Hunter Firecom, Lemon 31, over.
Go ahead.
Firecom, Lemon 31, if you respond to Nilba 1, there will be no padlock Cat 1 units in the Lemon Tree to Telegraph Peninsula area, over.
Lemon Tree, you're not supposed to be out of your area. You are to cover Tanilba Bay and Lemon Tree, over.
Firecom, Lemon Tree 1, we called in a while ago and were told to respond. The word was a firm respond, over.
Fine, we have that many units going out, that's fine. Tanilba Bay 1, Firecom.
Tanilba Bay 1.
Tanilba Bay 1, we'd appreciate if you would stay in the area and cover Lemon Tree, please, over.
Lower Hunter Firecom, Clarence Town 1 blue.
Clarence Town 1, head for Karua Sawmill. We have a fire, over.
Yeah, copy that. Deputy Captain in charge, crew of 5.
Thank you for that.
The Firecoms, Lower Hunter Firecoms, Raymond-terrace 1, blue.
Raymond-terrace 1, we have Clarence Town on the way. At this stage, we are sending a driver to pick up Karua. Over.
Understood, thanks, and appreciate your patience. We have a large area of bush, approximately 1 hectare. This is fairly hard, inaccessible bush. We also have a number of wood piles alight. I will require another 3 to 4 tankers. Our location, I am taking command. We will know, this will be known as the Greys-sawmill fire. We will be available on fire ground 1. Copied.